Isidore, or is it yeah?
Freezing stations in the night, whistles blowing shutters light, clink of glasses from next door, women's laughter, drunken snore.
Pass a vodka knee to knee, dreamers trainer as she sleeps. That's about his tickets free.